Right, nice. Message answers online. Sahara, good. Vishala, good. Richard, I didn't get yours. Karina, right. Just tell me what is 3 to the power of 4, right? Jaya, good. Jamie, good. Maria, good. Okay. This thing start. What happened plenty, right? That's Zoom over it. That's not me. Let's see if it will stop. Nice. So you'll get what? You'll get x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. X is equal to 8. Right? Nice and easy, right? Yes. Pardon me? Number 3. Suppose I gave it something like that. Log to the base 2 of x plus log to the base 2 of 2x is equal to 4. Will that work out? Yeah, I should work out. How are we going to do something like this? Right? So you have to go back to your log rules. That's okay? Same base addition sign. What you do? Multiply, right? So same base addition sign, you multiply whatever you find in log of. So that'll be log to the base 2 of x by 2x is equal to 4. When you reach here, do the same thing. That's okay? When you reach here, you just do the same thing. So you will end up with log to the base 2 of 2x squared is 4. And then you do the same thing. 2x squared, bring up the 2, carry across the 4, that's 2 to the power of 4. Yeah? So 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So it means that 2x squared is 16. Carry the 2 on this side, you'll get x squared is 8. Last step, x is equal to the square root of 8, which is, well, whatever that is, right? Could you also, without calculators, could you also simplify this instead? Without calculators, can you simplify this instead? Right, root 4 by root 2. Root 4 is 2. So 2 root 2. That's okay? Right, let's try one more here. Could I fit one more right here, right? Here, here, bring it here, here. Come on. Try one quickly, just a quick little practice before I give it some fast paper. Let's leave multiplication, right? So let's say 5x plus log to the base 3 of x plus 1. All of that is equal to 2. Try that here. Let's see what you get. Let's look quick revision. That's one video, right? Any answers? I would know. Make it up. All right, let's go online. What you all have? Right, it's not nice numbers, right? It's I made a big question, so it won't be nice numbers. Message answers. Right. Oh. 25x1. For traffic. Yeah, I think. So let's see what you have here. Online, nothing, any answer. All right, let's see. Let's see how this turned out. So it will be log to the base 3 of 5x addition, same base, so you're going to multiply. That's equal to 2. Nice. When you reach here now, you have to convert to exponential form, right? So this will be 5x by x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 2. Feel free to multiply it out, right? You can do that earlier if you wanted. 5x by x, that's 5x squared. 5x by 1, that's 5x. Is equal to 9. Please do not add these two together, right? These are two different terms. So what you have here is a quadratic, which you can easily solve, right? X is equal to okay. Nice. What would happen here? Oh wait, I didn't get answers online. What happened there? Yes, 2 at the end, Richard. Yeah. You'll get that online? Alejandra, Ariana. Vishal, you got that? Right. So the next thing that we have to do is, oh, question I was going to ask, right? Suppose you had a power in front here. Suppose you had a value in front here, like 4. What you would do? If you had a value 4 in front here, to get to do this, you have to do put the 4 as the power, right? So if you had a value in front here, you can put the value on top here. That's okay? So if you had a 3, you can put a 3 on top here. All right? Yes, remember that. All right, let's see. Let's get one from here. So if you see a value in front, please remember to convert it to use the power rule, right? And convert it. Right? Let's try one. Let's try this here. Number 4. Log to the base 10 of 3x. I'm changing it now from a plus to a minus, right? 2 log to the base 10 of x is equal to 1 minus log to the base 10 of 5x minus 3. A little bit longer than the last one, but the same principle, right? How are we doing this? What's the first thing you'll do? Let's talk it out first. What's the first thing you will do? Right, take the 2 and put it in front there, okay? What's the next thing you'll do? Look at this and look at what we have here. Huh? Carry all the right. Carry all the logs on one side. Right? Carry all the logs on one side. So take this log and bring it on this side. That's okay? Take this log, bring it on this side. What you'll end up with? All the logs on one side, right? Then you can apply the rules. Then you will reach here, then you will reach here. All right, so your first step, you can take it 2, put it 2 there and bring a log on this side. Right? Take it 2 and put it as a power. Then bring the logs on one side. Just like normal maths. Bring all the like terms together. Simplify that and then convert to exponential form. Try it now. Right, let's see what you got. Right, Helena, what you'll have here? Log to the base 10 of 3x plus 2. What are you doing with this minus 2 again? Right, you're taking the 2 and putting it on top, right? So it becomes log to the base 10 of x squared. What are you doing with this minus log, Helena? Right, bring it to the next side, it becomes add. Log to the base 10 of 5x minus 3 as well. Right? Yeah, minus with what again? Divide. Addition means so you're dividing these 2 on here, multiplying this. Go ahead. I want to change the format a little bit just now. I'll give you one more time. Hello, okay online there? Ooh, they're looking nice. X is wait for the finish already. Nice, Katrina, Richard. Check it out us now. Take your time. Y'all didn't get two values, Katrina and Richard. Y'all didn't get two values. Yeah. Vishala, what would I tell you? No. Supposed to get two values. You would have gotten a quadratic. Yeah, Vishala, go ahead now. Finish. Right, you should get two values. It may have been a quadratic, right? So let's check it back there, Richard and Katrina. You all got one of them correct. Check it fast there. Let me see what the face got. What you got me in this? What's that mean? I don't know what that means. So you do a thing here, I don't know what you do. What do you do? Yeah, but you're not supposed to end it. Yeah, good, or something weird. Yes, mom. Take care of it. Good, very good. Just right next time, someone else will go. Follow the line to well, to one, right? 10:31. 10:34. Yes. All right, this one. All right, let's go. We got here. Suppose I get 2 answers. That's a scratch. All right, let's see how it went. So I just give you one extra term, right? We have been practicing 2 terms all the time. I'll just give you 1 more term. Huh? But I can't do that. So I just prepare it. It's here. Just draw a line to the page. So this will be log to the base 10. Oh, now see what you all did, right? So this is 3x plus 2 multiplied by this divided by this is equal to 1. That's okay. So it's this by this divided by this, right? I put it all together so it doesn't look confusing, right? So I can convert to exponential form if I want, convert to exponential form. So it will be 3x plus 2. You can multiply down if you want. But in any question, I do not like fractions, right? So I want to get rid of this fraction underneath here. What can I do? Cross multiply. Cross multiply or multiply everything by x squared. I don't want this here. This is confusing, right? I don't want this fraction, so cross multiply. So I'll end up with 3x plus 2 by 5x minus 3 is equal to 10x squared. This should be a little bit too nicer to simplify, right? Right? So multiply this out, and we'll end up with 15x squared. 15x by this is minus 9x. 2 by 5x is 10x. 2 by minus 3 is minus 6. And remember, we had to bring all the like terms together. So I'm taking it 10x squared and I'm bringing it across. And then make it equal to 0. So I expand this out and I bring the minus 10 across. 15x squared minus 10x squared is 5x squared. Minus 9 plus 10 is x. Minus 6 is equal to 0. Go take calculator and you'll get x is 1 and minus 6 on 5. What's the next value? 1 and minus 6 on 5? Yeah. All right. Let's do one more before I make it harder. Right, remember we're revising, right? So I'm just doing some slightly harder ones, right? Nice. Right, Richard, good. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go again. Shana, you ready? I'll check it to make sure you're ready. Right, we do like fractions. So once you reach the fraction part, cross multiply, find a way to get a fraction, right? Chris, basically looking sleepy. Sleepy? You're almost done, don't worry. About 40 minutes again. 50 minutes. Anybody writing? Board looking real clean online, boy. Our serious videos. Hey, here's what I want to do, right? But I was somebody who brave enough. I want to start doing this TikTok, right? Listen now. Here's what you're doing. But I want, but you'll ever saw this guy. No, not mastering. Well, it is maths in the end. But what the guy does do, he does go up to you and ask you where does live, where you do for a living and those kind of things. Right, but I just change it a little bit. So what you're gonna do is if you hold my phone or your phone or whatever, and you will say, sir, you can do this question for me, and you hand me the question, I'll do it on the board or do it on paper. But I was somebody who brave enough to put it right? No, we'll see how it work out, and that's the first thing. You find it lame? We will see how make it entertaining. We will see. No, I can't attempt that. How to be clean. You use your voice? When you use your voice? No, Nia. Anybody will use your voice? So all you're gonna do is say, sir, you can help me do this or sir, you can answer this, please. Anything, any question, anyhow. Huh? Yeah, exactly. Help me with this now. Right? So when class done, we would try one, right? Okay, so you get a question here. So you can ask anything, any question. No, I'm now doing it. Oh, with this school name. I rate it. Right, so we will try it, right? I'm going to see it and I'll see how much editing it is. Hopefully, it's not plenty editing. But somebody got it. Right? Okay. Eh? No music, well, music over. Music over. All right. Try this here for me. While I get this right, I'll add music. I've seen everything now online. Nice. How about? Yeah, it could be like working. That's probably true. Yeah, what? Go on, lumulak ka brother. One value, no? 2. So you do bang, and you do bang, you do bang there. So you want to like come to the text. Much good. It'll be nice to tell them what you do and maybe read a story and tell you how you reach San Fernando. You just tell them in San Fernando. It'll be nice and I can tell them what the text. Yeah. Obviously, the Korea is in San Fernando. It'd be nice if we could put you know.
I'd say,
What?
yeah.
For what? I didn't do any videos yet.
You said that's, if you get it right. Yeah.
That one person get it right so far.
Go on to, I'll listen.
I'm still waiting on online and thing. We gotta get all right.
I will help us on that.
You get it wrong?
So.
Yes.
Right, let's check out online. We all got -106. Yeah, right. Good job, Shana. Message answer. Yeah, that's Katrina good. Jaya good. Maria good. Jamie, Kaylin, Richard. Nice. Good so far. Let me see if Viraj send the right thing, we got to go. Samir. Answers, please. Samir and Mr. Barrow. I didn't get anything from you as yet. Did I get from Alejandra? All right, good job, Viraj. Viraj, did I get Alejandra? No, I didn't get Alejandra as yet. So let's see. Let's see what you got. What? What does it was up now?
I say,
You set up.
like 5 minutes.
Still like Elena back there, Elena. She doing the first video, but she wanted to put music. She could put music. She edits and I'm recording the first one. So let's see how it goes. We come up bad, Elena, right? So log to the base 10 of x squared minus 6. You bring this across. Log to the base 10 of 2. You bring it across now. Right? I didn't bring it across the first time. I now bring it, right? Is equal to 1. So this is log to the base 10 of x squared minus x multiplied by 2 divided by x. So this multiplied by this divided by x is 1. Right? Last step. Well, second to last step. Convert to exponential form. So that'll be 2 by x squared minus x over x is equal to 10 to the power of 1, right? Bring up the 10, carry across the 1. Cross multiply, you'll get 2x squared minus 12, 10x. Correct? Bring all the x's on one side. 2x minus 10x minus 12 is 0. Right? When you solve, you got x is what?
6 and negative.
6 and
-1.
right. 6 and -1. That's it. Next type. Next type. I look here online there. I've just hard one I want to, well, not hard. Don't say hard. Good. Power.
Exam.
Oh, my heart did it. 501. Oh, yeah, that's true. I suppose choose all my grand. Huh? All right. Try this here. Hi. Oh, no, I thought you were going to do.
Yeah.
All right, so watch here. How do we solve things like this, right? Normally, if you have indices, you can convert them to the same, you can convert them both to the same base and work it out, right? You can't do that here. Right? You can't convert them to the same base. So in cases like this, what you do is take logs on both sides. Log here and log here. So you'll get log to the base, log 5, x plus 1 is equal to log of 3. Remember, log means what? LG means what? Right. LG means log to the base 10. This is 3 to the 2x minus 1. Right? What you guys do now? Take the power, bring it in front. Take the power, bring it in front. And then when you reach here, it's up to you. You can work out log 5, then multiply it out. Right? You have 2 ways you can do it. Let's do it like that for now. You can take the log 5 and work it out, or you can bring the logs on one side, numbers on one side. It's up to you. Anything you want. Actually, let's stick to that. Bring all the x's on this side. Carry the log on this side. Right? What's log 3 and log 5? What's log 3 over log 5? The calculator, press log.
26.
Huh?
0.68.
0.6. Right? 0.68, right? Right, Kayla? That's what the calculator for. Right? So you get 0.68. Okay with that? Right? But when you reach here, we still didn't solve for x, right? We still didn't solve for x. We got to cross multiply. Okay? So it's 1 by this. And 2x plus 1 by this. That's okay? So you multiply it out, you'll get x plus 1 is equal to 2 by 0.68 is how much? Plus 1. Huh? 1.36x plus 0.68. That's okay? And looking at this thing because we have bad numbers, right? But the principle is basically you expand it out, you bring all the x's together and you solve. So you'll be left with x minus 1.36x is equal to 0.68 minus 1. How much is that? This is negative 0.36x. Right, and this value here is minus 0.32, right? So x is equal to minus 0.32 over minus 0.36. What's that? So subtract these two again, subtract these two again. Huh? 0.89. Okay, so what is it again? I can't convert them to the same base. I take logs on both sides. So I'll take log of this and log of this. Take the power, bring it in front. Bring all the x's on one side. Huh? Yeah. Right? That's a little question, right? So I'll bring all the x's on one side, then I cross multiply. Right? I will tell this hurry, then I cross multiply, then I bring the x's together and I solve for x. Fast. Okay, so you take logs on both sides and you try to make x the subject of the formula. Right? That's a short conclusion for that, right? So we finish, try that there. 3 to the x plus 1 is equal to 10. Your time, not take your time because it might be the best number, but I left out X on the right side, right? So let's see what we got.
We know I said.
What's up, log 10 is one log.
We need more phones. That's why you get the on time phone. I don't know.
Well, again, I find very much well.
That's not good. You see, let's watch it.
Well, you long, log. Right. Right, you just round off your value, that's what you should get close to the answer.
So I to be corrected.
No.
Right, message answers, Alejandro looking correct. What? Oh, look, come now. All right, so let's see. Let's check this one out. So you take log on both sides, so you'll get log 3, x plus 1 is equal to log 10, right? We know log 10 is 1, and we can bring the power in front. So x plus 1, log 3 is equal to log 10, which is 1. Carry the log 3 on the side. X plus 1 is equal to 1 on log 3. Carry the log 3 on the side. What is 1 on log 3? Papa. 2.1. So x is equal to 2.1 minus 1. X is 1.10. Even when it cross multiply it both together, but it should still get the same thing. Right, check it working online. Any questions? Maria, any questions?
Yeah.
Yes, you're wrong.
Oh, I do it. See you there. As I said, I find that you Oh,
All right, let's go again.
so that I didn't. I didn't know what you was.
Last one, we get one wrong, right? Last one. And then we take a look at some APs and PPs. Because next week I want to do a section 1 paper and we're done. I'll give you a break and then
So next week will be the last class.
probably or probably not. I'll check and see.
Yes.
I just have to do one more thing and yeah, I could probably. This one is more like the first one that we did, right? Try that, please. That's the last one. Take your time. That's the last one. That's more like the first one, right? That's more like the first example I gave you. So on the finished message answer, right? Richard, you okay with the last one? Yeah, okay, fix this one. Malini, again, Malini. Right, so this is a kind of idea how to revise, right? So you take a particular topic, run over the rules, run over the few examples they have, and then get about 4 or 5 questions and practice it. Okay? So like these same questions, you could write them over on a piece of paper. After you revise, go back and do them. And you already have the answers. That's okay? All practice when you do it in maths and advanced, right? Finish already? Nice. One in front of killer. You're done? Message answers, I've seen them coming in here. Aliandra, Richard, you'll have different values. Just check it back just to make sure. I'll do it just now. What you get? Aliandra, check back yours. Viraj, don't forget my Viraj. Good. What you get? You get Grace?
I think I.
Remove this one. Remove this one.
All right, let's see what you got. Right, let's see any more answers online. Katrina, check back you're working on one of the pieces. I think you'll multiply out bad. But a little close to it. Right, Vishala, what you got for this one? Sahara, Maria, what y'all got for this one? All right, so I've seen some of you all getting the same value online, right? I'm gonna see how you all got that mind. So here we're taking logs first, right? So you'll get log 3 of 2x plus 1 is equal to log 4x minus 1. This is the power, so it comes in front, log 3. This is the power, so it comes in front, log 4. Bring a log 3 on this side, bring a x minus 1 on this side. So you'll get 2x plus 1 all over x minus 1 is log 4 over log 3. So you bring this on this side and you bring this on this side, right? And then you'll end up with 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. What's log 4 and log 3 again?
1.26.
1.26. Right? 1.26. So now we could cross multiply. So we'll get 2x plus 1 by 1, which is this. 1.26 by x minus 1. So we'll get 2x plus 1 is equal to 1.26x minus 1.26. Bring the x's together and we're done. Bring the x's together, you'll get 2x minus 1.26x. Bring the 1 on this side, you'll get 1.26 minus 1. Oh, minus here. So you'll get minus 1.26 minus 1. So this will be 0.74 is equal to minus 2.26. Carry this here. X is minus 2.26 over, which is 3.05. Right? The mistake you make was in the sign. Well, they had a plus there. Yeah. So online, you all had it correct. Right? Check back your sign. I think when I watch your book, I make a mistake too. Right? Vishala, nice. Viraj, check out if you make a mistake. Sahara, good. Katrina, good. So Richard, you made a little mistake as well, right? Instead of writing minus 1, you wrote plus 1 by mistake. Alejandra, so you were correct all the time. Right? I was watching Shannon book and he write down the wrong thing.
What?
Huh?
You write on everything I get correct.
Okay, nice. Now I want to take a quick look at APs and GPs. Right, I know I'm forcing you to remember a lot. Right, and we'll practice out APs and GPs next week. Here's what I want you to do for me. I gave you a table on APs and GPs. I want you to reproduce that or as close to that table without looking back as possible. As close to it. So here's what you're doing for me. All you're doing, all you're doing for me is this. Write down the rules you remember on APs without looking back. And the GPs. Right? Write down what it looks like. Write down the formula to get a value. And then to find the sum and sum to infinity. Right? So I want the general formula. How the AP does look. S to the n, S to the infinity, 2 of them. Huh? Like how it looks now. APs are always what? A then what? A plus D and so on, right? All right, Samir. Take your time, right? It's a quick review on this. I can't do any past papers, but we'll review that next week and we finish up this revision. During the holidays, you'll do one more review and then I'll show you the new topic that we started. Or after give you the dates for the holidays, I'll send on the group. After? Yes. I'll send to your mom. I'll send it one time. Oh, yeah. Write down what you remember without looking back, right? What the AP and GP looks like.
I think speaking from the start of the it's actually I can show you this. I get the new one. Yeah. See? You something oh, yeah. That's yeah, it's just like it's like you did have a little on the kind of cool. That's
That's a lie.
Yes. Yeah, it seems because yeah, we could, but we just found out this, so. Yeah.
Well,
Today, just we want to. They came out there.
yeah.
I know those things. Yeah.
That's empty.
Everybody does that. No thanks. No thanks.
Alright, last thing we done. Clearly. Well, again, anything? Some of them books looking blank.
Correct.
Alright, last thing are we done? Like, last thing are we done there, right?
Also.
So T to the N is what? A plus N minus 1D and GP is what? A by,
A or before N minus one.
right? Sum is what?
N over two. A plus N minus one.
Right? And here is what?
That is
A by,
A in brackets one minus R before N.
we really remember this boy,
One.
right? That's when what? R is less than 1, right? And does sum to infinity exist for AP? No formula, but here is
I look,
A over.
look when I.
What's a formula for sum to infinity? Huh?
I could.
All right, so that's a little summary, right? So next year we'll do some questions on this, right? We'll do some